Hi, this is Sharon Gilbert again from your five-star marketing. You know, I'm sure as a business owner, you're probably really concerned about our economic times. Do you know that it can be more cost efficiency with the current economic times? Is your business looking to maybe maximize your income and expenses? Here's one way that might help your business. Fractional marketers, such as your five-star marketing, we offer the expertise with your Google business profile and your social media profiles at a fraction of a cost for a full-time marketing employee. So you're getting the benefits and you're saving overhead expenses. Also, a fractional marketer can be hired for 6, 9, or 12 months at a time, depending on your business and what your needs are. Again, this is Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing, and we are now offering fractional marketing to the businesses at this economic time. Thank you so much and have a great day. This is Sharon Gilbert again from your five-star marketing. During the times that we're going through with the economics and tariffs and all that, I'm sure that your business is probably still concerned. You want to keep your marketing up. You don't want to not have your marketing. You want your business still be seen. I'm sure you want more clients. So what we're offering is a fractional marketing service. And what that means for your business is you can hire us for 6 months, 9 months, or up to 12 months. So the benefit of having a fractional marketer is you're going to get access to specialized skills by hiring a fractional marketer. Companies can gain access to seasonal marketing professionals with specialized skills and extensive industry experience at a fractional marketer can help your business grow and save you money at a less expensive cost than having a full-time marketing employee. So at your five-star marketing in these changing economic times, we're offering fractional marketing. My name is Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing. Contact us today. Thanks so much and have a great day. Hi, this is Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing again. With this changing economy, are you looking for flexible marketing options? And what I'm talking about today is fractional marketing. We are fractional marketing expert. It can be scaled up or down based on your company's current business needs, projects, or financial situation. Flexible marketing gives your company control over your marketing expenses. A fractional marketer can be hired for 6, 9, or 12 months basis, depending on your company's needs. So at your five-star marketing, we want to help you out with your marketing and in this changing economic time to help your business stay on top. Again, Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing. Ask you this question. How would you like to reduce your risk expenses? In today's economy, companies can avoid long-term employment commitments, reducing financial risk during uncertain economic periods. You can do this by hiring a fractional marketer to do your marketing on a short-term or long-term basis based on your company's needs. This could save your business a lot of money and reduce your risk expenses. Contact us today at your five-star marketing with all your marketing needs. And again, you can hire us from 6 months, 9 months to 12 months based on your business needs. Thank you so much. I'm Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing, and you have a great day. Hi, I'm Sharon Gilbert from your five-star marketing. How would you like an immediate impact on your business? Do you find that currently you're spending a little bit too much money on your marketing? This is where a fractional marketer can help. We typically come in, let me pause that. This is Sharon Gilbert again from your Five Star Marketing. How would you like an immediate impact on your business? Do you find that you're currently, spending too much money on marketing? This is where a fractional marketer like us can help. We typically have extensive experience and can quickly identify opportunities to optimize your marketing budget, improving your ROI. Most fractional marketers are on a short-term basis, 6, 9, or 12 months. This can save your business a lot of money, and you still get the benefits of a full-time marketer without having one. This is again Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing, offering your business a fractional marketing solutions. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. This is Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. How would you like to save time and money with a fractional marketer? With today's changing economy, hiring a fractional expert can help companies prioritize marketing strategies and deliver measurable results and avoid wasted spending. A fractional marketer, such as your Five Star Marketing, can work with your company to save your business money while still helping your business grow and get more clients calling your business. Again, this is Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. We offer fractional marketing on a 6, 9-month, or 12-month basis based on your budget and your needs. Thank you so much and have a great day. Take care. Hey again, this is Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. Do you find are your marketing expenses getting a little too high? As your Five Star Marketing, we are a fractional marketer. We can offer an outside perspective, bringing innovative strategies and ideas to improve your marketing effectiveness. A fractional marketer is not an employee, so you can save money hiring one to do your marketing on a short-term basis based on your business needs. Contact me today, Sharon Gilbert, at your Five Star Marketing. I look forward to helping your business grow. Hi, this is Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. Let me ask you this question. Are you looking to maximize an efficient use of your resources? Do you know that by hiring a fractional marketer, companies maximize their budget by paying only for the expertise and time they require, freezing up resources for other essential business functions? Fractional marketers can be hired on a short-term basis, saving your company money. At your Five Star Marketing, we're offering fractional marketing at this time with these economic times that are changing. Contact me today, Sharon Gilbert, at your Five Star Marketing to find out how we can make your business grow. Thank you so much and have a great day. Hi, this is Sharon Gilbert again from your Five Star Marketing. Would you like a shorter ramp up time for your marketing? Experienced fractional marketers can quickly adapt, maximizing onboarding and training time compared to hiring and training a full-time employee. At your Five Star Marketing, we are offering fractional marketing on a short to long-term basis based on your company's needs so that you can save money and still grow your business at these little, economic times that we're going through. Thank you so much. Again, I'll talk to you soon. Sharon Gilbert. Hey again, this is Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. Would you like enhanced competitiveness? And what I mean by that is by tapping into an expert level insights and strategies. Companies can quickly adjust their marketing to remain competitive despite the economic challenges that we're going through. And what I mean by that is by hiring a fractional marketer on a part-time or short-term or long-term basis, your company can save money and maximize their ROI and still have your business grow during these tough times that we're in. Again, I'm Sharon Gilbert from your Five Star Marketing. I look forward to making your business grow online. Take care.